guys, it's me, Sydney. Today I will be making slime. Sorry about that, I did not mean to. Let's scoot you guys forward. So let's just get right on. I'm gonna be the cringiest person making slime. So kind of, make sure he's breathing. Whoa, why is that moving? Yeah, I'm not gonna open it that much. Okay, now let's do non-cringy way. People say that this is made for great for slime. It doesn't really work because you add shaving foam. Well, I do. Look at that, it's pink. It's gonna be even lighter. Kind of want to see what happens if I don't add shaving cream. My mom got me like this shaving cream that's like cool, but I don't really want to use it because it doesn't really work. Oh no, is this still recording? Yes. Is that all of it? No, because there's like right here. I'm just gonna use that. This is taking forever and it's been a minute and it's almost been 2 minutes. Literally in 3, 2, 1, it's 2 minutes of me just getting out the glue. Okay, I think we're done. Yep, ow, that hurts. I should be mixing the glue. I did a clear bowl for a purpose. Shine. Well, now that the spoon's in there, let's keep it in there. Let's see if this will work. I don't think it will. I'm positive it won't work. I just know it won't work. If it does work, I'm gonna be surprised. I think it's working. I think it's working. It just needs like more. I don't know, guys. Gotta make sure it's sticky free before I put my hands in. Yeah, it's definitely not working. Thought it was gonna work. It's not working. Add a tad bit of this. Okay, that's all I'm gonna add. It's gonna start coming together as soon as, yep. Yeah, girl. Yeah, gotta get it more. Gotta bag it up. One more. Big. There we go. So I'm gonna add that. It's coming together. Do you guys like see this? Barely, kind of, maybe. This is hard work already, and it's only been 3 minutes. Already been. Gonna make this really glossy, so we need lots of this. Ew, oh, okay. Hi, sisters. I think I've joined the YouTube squad. Oh, and I spilled it. Okay. Well, then. So my pink drink is not gone. I have like the tiniest bit left. I'll get one more. I'll get more of these, guys. Hey, why? Oh, it's not even coming together. It's like, okay, I'm not gonna add any more of this. It's just this now. Oh, that's a lot. It's like the bottom, and this is never going to come together. So like, just gonna like do that. Not ready to touch yet. I tried, there's like this kid on my bus and I tried giving him a hug. He always like, eh. It's gonna be like the longest video ever. Okay, stop, Cindy, you use the left hand. Okay, or not, no hands at all. Welcome. Mom, is Aubrey and Ella Grace coming? Oh, she never goes. grace. You just need to come for once. Upon a night. Catching the runaways and running the night. Impossible comes. This ain't enough with you. This is just making it bigger and thicker. And bigger, like a big booty Judy. Little. I'm gonna stop this video and then make a part 2. People do part 2s, right? Yeah. It's a really long video, guys. 5 minutes. Sarcastic. Yeah, I'm really tired of like mixing this, so let's just take a break. Maybe this will help. More shaving cream? No. Just gonna mix it in with my hands. You're not gonna mix. Don't worry, guys. It's not tangle, it's water. I'm gonna be a nice grouchy old lady. A nice grouchy one. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be really nice. I'm gonna yell at cookies that are poisonous. Haha, no. Hopefully I can give shout outs if anybody sees my videos, because nobody's ever going to find them. So I'm just talking to nobody. I just started vlogging today. So I don't think I'm gonna get up. I wanna wake up tomorrow and see like a bunch of subscribers. I'm talking to nobody. I'm still talking to myself. Another night. Possible comes through. This ain't enough with you. Oh, this is the greatest show. It's coming in about a night. The runaways, the run of the night. Impossible comes through. This ain't enough with you. Oh, this is the greatest show. Comment down below your favorite movie if you see this. I'm sure nobody is, cause like I'm red. No, I'm not. Caffeine, I'm ready to go what I need. It's gonna get messy, so sleeves go up. Sleeves go up. This is the greatest show. If you don't get in here, you're a part of this fam too. This is gonna be like the Sydney fam. So when I wake up and I can vlog. I heard cows like order. I really want to meet some YouTubers, like go to VidCon. I could just like vlog. But I want to live in California. If you're a vlogger, you normally want to live in California. I'm not saying where I live, I'm just saying I don't live in California, so. I'm getting tired. I think it's ready to just play with, bro. Yeah, it is ready. Move everything off. And I'm gonna like tell my friends, like I'm gonna be like, yeah, I have a vlog. It's gonna be so cool. I love being a new. Hopefully I can meet like all the fish fams. No, fish fams, Kyler. Did you know that Colleen was pregnant? And that like she had a baby, I'm like her biggest fan. Number one fan. I like every YouTuber that I see. Except for like get inappropriate ones, because then Please don't put any hate comments. If you don't like my videos, just keep all your bad thoughts in your head. So, have you ever heard of Cash and Maverick? Comment down below with your TikTok account, because I'm going to follow you. I kind of want to go live, but nobody's going to see it. I get to watch The Bachelor today. I look so cool now. I don't think I can do it next time because I'm really bad at slime. And my table shakes. Look at it today. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want a chance for a shout out in tomorrow's video, probably, maybe, I'll probably forget, or anytime, probably gonna do a night routine tonight. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. Bye.